First quiz of the quarter. Very exciting.
First quiz of the year.
Of the year, right? Of the year, exactly. 2023. All right, so I'm going to first.
Yes.
Yes, we're recording. I want to first remind you of Mr. Pass's super secret trick, right? So what is it? You see a C, and you
90.
think that that's 90 degrees. And you see an S for supplementary, and you know that it's two of those 90s, which is 180, right? So that should help you, hopefully, to remember your complementary and supplementary. So we're going to start with a young lady that came all the way from the bakery.
Yeah, sure, we could do that.
And what was your code name again?
Cinnamon roll.
I totally spaced out. Okay, let's hear it for cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls are so delicious. Cinnabon, OMG. I want one right now. Those things are amazing. You know what else? Who else makes a really good cinnamon roll? Panera. They make a really good cinnamon roll. But it's not quite as good as Cinnabon, though. Alright. Okay, what do you think? How do we do number one, young lady?
Number one, since it doesn't have a right angle, because usually right angles have 90 degrees, so...
Yeah, that little square?
Yeah, so it would be supplementary for number one.
It's what?
Supplementary?
Supplementary. Do we agree?
Yes.
Yes. Did my microphone stop working?
I think...
Supplementary! It's on my desk. Next to my phone. Okay, so supplementary. We all agree with that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so man, those P's didn't come out quite right. This galaxy is a little difficult.
That means 180, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's 180. Yes.
Yes, supplementary means they add up to 180. And there's also another word we can use.
Like what?
It starts with an A.
Adjacent.
Adjacent, very good. So any of the supplementary or complementary are adjacent, right? And adjacent can also be like not 90 or 180. But for this practice, they are going to be one or the other. Okay, good. What about number two?
Number two is mainly the same thing like number one, so it's supplementary once again.
Exactly. So I'm just going to put arrows because it's easier and it'll look cool with the galaxy, right? Same thing. All right, let's hear it for the cinnamon rolls. Very good. All right, anybody for number 3 or 4, or should I do it?
You should do it.
All right, so these two are next to each other or across from each other?
Next to each other. Next. Oh, wait.
Uh-oh.
Across.
Okay, people are arguing. You are right. They are across from each other. So that means they are vertical. Now those are not adjacent. Not adjacent. Because they're not next to each other. Okay, what about 4?
Complementary.
Complementary, right? Because now it has the square, which means 90. Uh-oh, I didn't leave enough room. Let me move that over. Whoopsies. Come on. No. There we go. Complementary.
I have a question.
What?
So
Or
like
adjacent.
for sup, can you for supplementary, can you write like sup, and then for vertical, can you write vert, and then for complementary?
Well, it's going to be on the computer anyway.
Oh,
Yeah,
all right.
so you won't have to type anything.
For sure.
It would be multiple choice.
Oh.
yes.
Choice A. Alright. Find the measure of angle B. Was somebody doing this one? Yeah. Alright. And your code name is? She forgot. Blueberry.
From the carton.
Code name is forgot. Alright, let's hear it for forgot. Okay. That's okay. Alright. Go ahead. How do we do number 5?
So I know straight line means 180 degrees, so I got 180 minus 107.
Alright, so you want to pick a color, by the way?
That's just black. I don't know.
Alright. So 180 minus 107. Do we agree with that?
Yes.
I heard yes. Yeah, that's
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
For nodding, that's right. By the way, this line, we really don't need it, right? All we need are these these two lines. So that's kind of an extra one.
I got 73.
I'm gonna borrow. And that's 73. Yep, looks like 73. Very good. You gonna do 6 too? Or no? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, how we do 6?
It's 180 degrees, like a straight line.
Mm-hmm.
So 180 minus 128.
That's right. Very good.
Just
And we
52.
don't need this little line down here, right? That's kind of a distraction.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Borrow. Did I get the right answer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's hear it.
Wonderful.
All right. Okay, you want to do 7? All right. So
No, 8.
okay, so I'll do 7 then, I guess. But 7's pretty easy, huh?
Yeah. So
What is it?
vertical.
It's vertical. It's 85.
Huh?
So again, they added an extra angle, an extra line. We don't need this line. Why they did that, I don't know. I may take them out on the quiz. I haven't decided yet.
Take it off.
I haven't decided yet.
Because that messes me up sometimes.
Yeah, I know it's a little confusing. All right, so number 8.
Yeah.
What do you think? What's your code name?
I don't know.
Chimichanga. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Anyway, let's hear it for the volunteer that doesn't have a name. I'll just call you volunteer. Here. Volunteer, what you got?
Okay, so I'm doing number 8.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I know it's a right angle, so that means it's complementary.
Mm-hmm. Very
Yeah.
good.
And then right angle is 90,
Mm-hmm.
cause yeah. So and then you do 90 minus 49, and then you have to take out 9 and put an 8. And then put the 0 to a 10 and get 41. And then B equals 41 degrees.
He's got it. All right, let's hear it. Excellent job, volunteer. All right, the last 2. Anybody super brave, or you want me to do it? You already did.
I can do one.
All right, which one?
9.
Okay, you have to walk up to the mic though. Over there. Number 9. Want to pick a color?
Oh.
Blue.
Blue.
What's your code name?
I'm gonna steal Micah. No name.
It's gonna be no name.
Cookie
All right,
Monster.
let's hear it for no name.
Oh,
No name. Yeah.
no name. Yeah.
Okay.
No name.
All right. So what do we have here?
You have 52 and 4x across from each other.
Mhm.
So you put the equal sign in between them, and then that's your answer.
Yeah. So 52 equals 4x, or 4x equals 52. So it doesn't matter the order, right?
Yeah.
So 5x equals
5x.
Oh, why did I say that? I don't know. I was rewriting it and I messed up. Sorry.
50
52 equals 4x, and then or 4x.
equals
All of a
52.
sudden, I can't write well. I don't know what happened to me.
I can write.
It's alright, I got it. Thank you, anyways. What? Yeah, the answers are on the back of the paper. Alright, and by the way, very good, sir. Excellent job.
Oh. 41.
Now-
I got it right.
Where'd you write that?
Now, by the way, again, we don't need these extra things right here.
Can you take them off, please?
Maybe.
Wait, who did with the quiz?
So how about this? This one, they add up to 90, right?
Yeah.
So, by the way, you could solve for x here. You could divide both sides by 4, and you would find out that x equals to 13. Now, we're not going to have to do that for this test, this quiz. We're only going to have to set it up. All right, here we go. So, they add together
Equals 90.
equals 90. So, again, we could figure out what x is, but this is the only thing they're asking for in this quiz. However, we could do superstar, co-star, extra. We all remember that, right? Minus 54, we would get 2x equals to 36, and then divide by 2. Remember this? X
Yeah.
is equal to
Yeah.
18. So if they ask us for that, I think we're going to do that on the test, but we're not doing it on the quiz. All right, bye YouTube.
Bye.